State-backed hackers are running fake job interviews, a critical AI platform is being actively exploited, and autonomous AI agents just breached one of tech's biggest platforms. Buckle up, it's a busy day in cyber. A critical vulnerability in ServiceNow's AI platform is being actively exploited to achieve unauthenticated remote code execution. Attackers moved within days of public disclosure, a brutal reminder that patch windows are now measured in hours, not weeks. If your org runs ServiceNow, drop everything and patch now. Separate reporting confirms exploitation of the ServiceNow FLAW began just days after it was publicly disclosed, underscoring how rapidly threat actors operationalize new vulnerabilities. Organizations relying on delayed patch cycles are essentially handing attackers a head start. Vulnerability management speed is now a survival skill. A state-linked group tied to the Korean Peninsula is running a sophisticated fake interview campaign called ClickFake, specifically targeting Web3 and crypto professionals. Victims are lured into fake job interviews that deploy Pylang Ghost and Golang Ghost remote access Trojans. If a recruiter you've never heard of offers you a dream Web3 job, be very suspicious. Researchers demonstrated that autonomous AI agents were used to breach Hugging Face, one of the most widely used machine learning platforms in the world. This marks a significant escalation. Attackers are now weaponizing AI to conduct attacks with minimal human involvement. The AI security arms race just got very real. A newly documented malware module called Cavern abuses Microsoft Outlook calendar events as a covert command and control channel while using DNS AAA records for configuration recovery. This is a clever abuse of trusted everyday business tools that most security tools won't flag. Legitimate-looking calendar invites just became a new attack surface. A zero-day vulnerability in Windows, dubbed LEGACYHIVE, has received free, unofficial patches from the community because Microsoft has not yet issued an official fix. The flaw poses a real risk to unpatched systems, and the community stepped in to fill the gap. Unofficial patches carry their own risks, but for some organizations, it may be the only option right now. A newly identified technique called context bombing floods AI-powered security tools with excessive context, causing them to make incorrect or deceptive decisions. As defenders increasingly rely on AI for threat detection, attackers are learning to exploit the very models meant to protect us. Trusting AI blindly in your SOC is now officially a liability. AWS is expanding GuardDuty to automate the initial triage steps of threat investigations, reducing the manual burden on security teams. For cloud-heavy organizations drowning in alerts, this is a meaningful quality-of-life improvement that could meaningfully cut response times. Automation in the SOC is no longer optional. It's the only way to keep up. 25 years after the Code Red worm wreaked havoc on the internet, security researchers are drawing direct parallels to today's AI security challenges. The speed, scale, and self-propagating nature of Code Red mirrors what AI-enabled threats could look like at scale. History doesn't repeat, but it rhymes, and right now, it's rhyming loudly. XSSer version 1.9, dubbed Black Swarm, has been publicly released with updated cross-site scripting attack and testing capabilities. While primarily a penetration testing tool, public releases like this also lower the barrier for malicious actors targeting web applications. Web developers and security teams should treat this as a reminder to audit XSS defenses immediately. That's your daily cyber briefing. Stay sharp, patch fast, and question every calendar invite. Subscribe for tomorrow's digest and check Mon My IP to see what the internet knows about you right now.